Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use these 3D assets for your films, your skits, your projects, whichever it is. And like always, you can download the project files, the assets, whatever it is, by clicking the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you download the asset folder, you're going to have two different video files. You can just drag them in and drop them. Again, there's no background. It's always exported with alpha, so you can just drag and drop wherever you want, any editing software. I'm going to drag and drop, and here we go. We got our planet. I offered two different videos. So you have the fully lit from the front, and it'll spin around. And then you also have a fully lit just from the side. And you have a little shadow over here while it's spinning. You can just drag and drop and use it on any video files, any projects that you're working on. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. Subscribe for more. Thank you all for tuning in.